Hello, Heather. My name is Brianna. I'm with Chipmunk SEO, a digital marketing specialist. I just wanted to provide this free video for TCM restoration here because I saw some things that you could do to improve your site and increase the amount of customers that you guys are finding from online. So I'll just dive right into it here. As far as content goes, Google likes to see about 1,500 words on the homepage. You guys have about 400, which is really good. Content includes the images as well, what the images are saved as files, what's behind the images. Pretty much just everything on there is considered content, and they want the content to be unique and authentic. You don't want to have any copyright issues going on. So comparing to your competition, Tailored Restoration, I got them as competition because I searched the keywords restoration Anchorage. That's just, I know, one service area that you guys cover, but their maps pack shows up first, as well as their website down here shows up first. And I feel that you guys should be higher than Habitat Restore, so that's something that I can show you how to change as well. Going through that, if we go over to the Tailored Restoration homepage, you can see that their content is actually less than your guys's. So you guys are outmatching them. The only reason I recommend going to that 1,500 is for the optimization for Google. It'll keep your website protected during whatever Google updates may occur. The next thing I want to go into is the keywords. So the keywords in your content are, like I said, the words that are being searched by customers online when they try to find a company to help with the service you provide. So we have people that are searching by your name. Those are some of the high keyword volumes happening here. We go back over. You guys are ranking for 128 keywords, which is bringing you 52 traffic for incoming customers. The referring domains are citations, which are the amount of websites that are basically online directories that contain your information about your company. And it's good to have, a couple hundred citations. That's the goal. The citations are actually what puts you in the Google Map pack here. So that may be why Tailored Restoration is outranking you. They may have better quality citations than your website. So like Smartphone Blogspot, that probably doesn't have anything to do. You shouldn't be having any type of a ranking with them. Going back here, backlinks are how many individual web pages on the internet link back to your website. So 69 referring domains that contain 293 backlinks, bringing customers back to you, totaling at 52. Now, if we go over to Tailored Restoration, as you can see, they do have less domains. So what you would want to do is you'd want to get the same type of citations that they have. See, homestead, cleaning services, those are a little bit closer. Some of them are still off the mark, but you would want to copy some of those citations. That's something that you can do. They do have, less backlinks as well, but they're still outranking. So that means that those are a higher quality citation. Also, note the keywords. They have a lot more organic keywords than you guys do here. You're at 128 and they're at 558, and they've got a much higher ranking going on. Their traffic is also increased because of the keywords and the citations and backlinks that are being used. So if you want to increase your customer base from the 52 coming from online, anytime that someone's needing those services for fire damage, water damage, mold, whatever the case is, you want to make sure that you've got a lot of keywords that are matching what people might be using to search on Google and find you first. Those are my recommendations. I didn't want to take up too much of your time here. I know it's valuable. But yeah, if you guys want to just take that information and do it yourself for your own site and make those improvements and changes, no harm, no foul. I don't mind that. If you guys feel that I do have something I can offer and get you that search engine optimization that you're looking for, especially being just a local company, I'd be more than happy to talk more about it and see what services I could actually assist you with. So again, my name is Brianna. I'm at Chipmunk SEO, and you can give me a call at 907-205-7209 if you have any questions or concerns or just want to know more. I'm hoping you can give me some feedback on this video as well through the email that I'm going to send it to you in. I am always looking for ways to improve how I'm relaying my information. So once again, Brianna, Chipmunk SEO, 907-205-7209, and I hope to hear from you, and you enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you.